This course will introduce you to the Digital Evaluation Board from OZG Systems. The Digital Evaluation Board is designed to help teach you digital logic. Digital logic is the foundation of what makes our computers work. It's how the chips themselves operate inside the computer. We'll learn about logic gates. We'll use tools like Tinkercad and Logisim to build virtual simulations of the circuits that we construct on the Digital Evaluation Board so that you'll better understand how those circuits work and maybe even a little bit more about how the DEB itself works. So if you're ready to get started, let's go.